Okay, so the columns of botany, right? Now, as you can see in the medullary pyramids into the calyces, there is a renal pelvis, as you see. So now here it is the afferent arteriole, the glomerulus, then efferent arteriole leaving, then this is Bowman capsule, then PCT, then Henle's loop, that is descending loop of Henle, then ascending limb of Henle, that is vasa recta, and this is the DCT, that is distal convoluted tubule and collecting duct, right? Now Malpighian body or renal corpuscle, a hairpin shape, that is Henle's loop. Now the DCT of many nephrons open into a straight tube called collecting duct, many of which converge and open into the renal pelvis through medullary pyramids in the calyces. Now Malpighian corpuscle, PCT and DCT of the nephron are situated in the cortical region of the kidney, whereas the loop of Henle deep into the medulla. Now, in majority of nephrons, the loop of Henle is too short and extends only very little into the medulla. Such nephrons are cortical nephrons. In some nephrons, the loop of Henle is very long and runs deep into the medulla. These nephrons are called juxtamedullary nephrons, right? The efferent artery emerging from the glomerulus forms a fine capillary network. Okay, these are the peritubular capillaries. Now, a minute vessel of this network runs parallel to the Henle's loop, forming a U-shaped vasa recta. Now, vasa recta is absent or highly reduced in cortical nephrons, right? Now, urine formation involves three steps: that is glomerular filtration, reabsorption, and secretion. So, glomerular filtration, like about 1100 to 1200, 1 by 5th of the total blood pumped out by each ventricle. Now three layers, okay: endothelium of glomerular blood vessels, the epithelium of Bowman's capsule, and a basement membrane between these two layers. Now the epithelial cells of the Bowman's capsule, called podocytes, are arranged in an intricate manner so as to leave some minute spaces called filtration slits or slit pores. Now blood is filtered so finely through these membranes that almost all the constituents of the plasma except the protein pass into the lumen of the Bowman's capsule. Therefore it is considered as process of ultrafiltration, right? Now GFR, it is 180 liters per day, but a healthy individual it is 125 ml per minute, right? By both the kidneys. Now the kidneys have built-in mechanism for regulation of glomerular filtration rate. So one such mechanism is juxtaglomerular apparatus, that is GGSL. Now GG cell is a special sensitive region formed by the cellular modification in the distal convoluted tubule and the apparent arteriole at the location of their contact. Now, a fall in GFR can activate the GG cells to release the renin, which can stimulate the glomerular blood flow and thereby the GFR back to the normal. Okay.